फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 3 to the power 1/4 इंटू 5 to the power 1/4। देखते हैं पर इसको सोल्यूशन। फर्स्ट पर राइट द क्वेश्चन 3 to the power 1/4 इंटू 5 to the power 1/4। अब ध्यान दीजिए यहाँ पे पावर सेम है और नंबर डिफरेंट है। तो आपने एक फार्मूला पढ़ा था कि a पे पावर m इंटू b पे पावर m। a एंड b बोथ आर डिफरेंट बट पावर सेम। तो इसके लिए होता है a इंटू बी होल का पावर m। यही इसका सिम्प्लीफाइड फॉर्म है। तो हम लिख सकते हैं सोल्यूशन में कि 3 पे पावर 1/4 इंटू 5 का पावर 1/4 फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लाइन क्या लिखेंगे 3 इंटू 5 का होल पावर व्हाट 1/4 या 15 का होल पावर 1/4। यही हमारा सिम्प्लीफाइड फॉर्म है। तो आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो कि इट इज द फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 15। वैसे आपका आंसर यही है लेकिन आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे, इसका मतलब ये होता है इट इज सेड टू बी फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 15, या आप रहने दो, आप इसको ही आंसर मान लो 15 का होल पावर 1/4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिंप्लीफाइड 2 का होल पावर 5/8 इंटू 3 का होल पावर 5/8। फर्स्ट आप राइट द सॉल्यूशन। अगेन वी यूज दिस फार्मूला। इट मे बी रिटन एट 2 इंटू 3 टू द होल पावर 5/8 और 6 टू द होल पावर 5/8। This is our solution. Now the third question. 6 to the power 1/2 into 7 to the power 1/2. Again, it is the form of a to the power m into b to the power m. So we have 6 into 7 to the whole power 1/2 or 42 to the whole power 1/2. This is our answer. Next, simplify. First of all, see the question of first. 3 का पावर 4 to the whole power 1/4। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द सॉल्यूशन। 3 का पावर 4 to the whole power 1/4। We know that a का पावर m to the whole power n is written as a to the power m into n। See the formula? a का पावर n to the power n is written a to the power m into n। Here we see that m is 4 and n is 1/4 and a is 3। So from the next we may written as 3 to the power 4 into 1/4। 4 cancel out, so we have 3 to the power 1 is 3। This is our required solution। Now the second question। 3 का whole power 3 to the power 1/3 to the whole power 4। So it may be written as ठीक है 3 का होल पावर 1/3 इंटू 4। सो इट इज रिटन एज 3 to the power 4/3। दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड सोल्यूशन। एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन 1/3 का पावर 4 टू द होल पावर 1/2। आपने पढ़ा था कि 1/a to the power n is written as a to the power minus n। So from the next line 1/3 to the power 4 is written as 3 to the power minus 4 to the whole power 1/2। Now it is the form of a to the power m to the whole power n। So from the next line we have 3 to the power minus 4 into 1/2 or 3 to the power minus 2 or 1/3 का whole square। We know that a to the power minus n is written as 1/a to the power n। So we have 3 to the power minus 2 is written as 1/3 का square। So it gives 1/9। This is our answer। Evaluate first question 125 to the whole power 1/3। First up write the solution। 125 to the whole power 1/3 रब करते हैं। 125 is written as 5 into 5 into 5। It is the factor of 5 5 5 3 times, or it may be written as 5 to the power 3। So 5 to the power 3 to the whole power 1/3। जैसा कि आप जानते हो a to the power m to the power n is equal to है a to the power m into n। So from the next line we have 5 to the power 3 into 1/3। 3 cancel out, it gives 5 to the power 1 or 5। This is our required solution। Now the second question 64 whole पे पावर 1/6। 64 का प्राइम फैक्टर करके देखते हैं। 32 16, 8, 4, 2. So here we have 64 is 2 पे पावर 6 to the whole power 1 by 6. आप चेक कर सकते हो 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 gives 64. So it is written at 2 का whole power 6 into 1 by 6 by using this formula a to the power m to the power n gives a to the power m into n. So we have 2 पे power m. This is our required solution. Third, 25 to the whole power 3 by 2. We know that 25 it is the factor of 5 into 5 into 5. So we have 5 to the power 3 to the whole power 3 by 2. It may be written as 5 to the power 3 into 3 by 2. It gives 5 to the power 9 by 2. This is our solution. Sorry, here is 125 to the power 3 by 2. So it may be written as 125 is written at 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 to the power 3 to the whole power 3 by 2. It gives 5 to the power 3 into 3 by 2, and it gives 5 to the power 9 by 2. So it's our solution. Thank you.